Hey everyone, today we are going to be fixing the alternator on our extra parts truck here. And the way we're going to do that is we've got some parts that we got from 440 Source. We got a repop crank pulley and a water pump pulley, and these are for non-air conditioning. The ones that I have on there now are for 440's big blocks with air conditioning, and I think I can make it work, except the water pump pulley's bent and it works fine until you rev it up, and about 3,000 RPM the belt goes flying every single time. So we're also going to install some brackets to make everything line up, and while we're messing with the front of the motor, we're going to replace the power steering pump with I think it's new, might be remanufactured. We got it from Rock Auto. Hopefully that takes care of our power steering leak. The pump is what's leaking, so a new pump should fix it. All right guys, so I put the pulley on backwards. That presents two problems. One, the belt doesn't line up. Two, the little flange to catch the puller on is now in there and there's not one on this side. So we're gonna try this and hopefully we don't bend the pulley. If we do, I don't know what I'm gonna do because they don't make this pulley anymore. Okay, I can't believe that worked. I'm glad, but I'm dumbfounded. Alright guys, I'm not sure how the audio is going to be because I don't have my mic on, but I finally figured out what the problem here was. Check out this. See that bend in the mounting face for the water pump pulley? I guess my old pulley was good after all. So as you guys can see, it doesn't fling the belt anymore. And the water pump pulley runs straight. It was a bad water pump the whole time. I'm not disappointed in the brackets and the pulleys I got from 440 Source. They fit perfectly and they lined up great. And now the alternator sits a lot lower, so that's gonna be better too. So also, now that I flipped that power steering pulley around the right way, it lines up again too. I'm happy I did it. See you soon.